Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela, also known as Crazy Jellybean. Today we are going to be doing this look. I went to Ulta and I kind of went on not a shopping spree, because for a spree I usually feel like those are things that it's more like wants and not needs. And yes, the following items were needs. So I went ahead and I tried to recreate this look right here, which is the navy blue. That color is a moment. Then I use Game Over in the outer corner and the inner corner. So this is the look. I don't want to say it's a recreation, it's more of an inspiration, because I didn't see any of the tutorials for it. I'm just going by what looks good with my eye shape. So if you guys like this look, keep on watching. All right, thank you guys. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and start off with a bare face. I've already moisturized. We're gonna use Iconic London's Water Mist Glow, which is a prep, set, and glow mist. Gonna go ahead and spritz that all over my face and pat it in my skin. So we're gonna use IT Cosmetics Full Coverage Cream in Tan. We're gonna use their foundation brush to buff that all over our skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, check. And now we're gonna use Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in medium. Add that to the points I want to highlight, as well as any areas of my skin that I want to conceal, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow base as well. And I'm gonna use the little beauty sponge that it came with. It was like a pack with the concealer and the beauty sponge. And then off camera I went ahead and finished my face, powder and blush and all that good stuff. Next is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, so I'm gonna start off with the color Churro, and we're gonna blend that into the crease area. So the look that we're going for is a halo. So I'm pretty much focusing on smoking it out, using Chin in the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm using a pointy blending brush to do the inner corner and the crease. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use Girl Bye to warm up that crease area. So I'm gonna blend that all over just to warm it up. Ready for the fun shades. So we're gonna use a moment and use our finger, and I was very surprised at how buttery it felt. And look at that, right there, a moment, seriously. All right, we're gonna use that and use our fingers, blend it onto the middle of our eyelid. All right, so we're gonna use Game Over with our pinky finger. Look how gorgeous that is. So we're gonna use that color on the outer corner of our eye. Just apply that on the outer corner as well as the inner corner. And you want to make sure you guys are careful, especially if you have fat fingers like me. The inner corner is really hard. If you guys want to use a brush, that would be very good as well. Chins, I'm going to use Chins for my outer corner and to blend in the crease area. So I'm using a pointy blending brush to just bring that all over my crease and blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my eyeliner and all that good stuff. Tight line and waterline. And then I'm using Chins again with my toothbrush blending brush. I'm gonna smoke that out, smudge it out. And then I use Noir to set my eyeliner. That's from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And then I'm using Basic for my inner eye corners. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glistening for my eyebrow highlight and as well as my inner corner. And then I'm using Necessary, which is a skin tone color, and I'm just using that on the outer edge of where I smoked everything out, just to tone it down a bit. And then I toned it back up using a Moment with my pointy blending brush, and I just added more color on my bottom lash line. And look at what a difference that makes. And then after that, I also went with Noir, and I darkened up my lash line, which you could see here, just to separate that glittery blue from my lash line. Alright guys, so that's the final look. I went ahead and completed my look with lashes and smoked out a little bit bottom lash line, just with churro. Oh my god. Okay, didn't smell like churros. So I smoked that in the bottom, just because I was feeling a little tight with my eyes. So I went ahead and smoked the bottom out a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys haven't already and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And then go ahead and turn on your notification bell to get notified. I'm gonna actually try to do videos every Thursday, so try not to quote me on that, but I am definitely gonna try to push myself to be more consistent. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.